Every day, you've got your finger on the pulse of manufacturing. You build, you produce, you solve, you deliver. Challenges are all around. Rising costs, changing customer demands, never-ending advances in technology, and a retiring workforce of knowledgeable employees plus a shortage of workers to take their place. Without a complete view of your operations, it's hard to adapt to this uncertain business environment. That's where we come in. At Belden, we've been walking the factory floor for 120 years. And today, we're still there, by your side, helping plant leaders solve today's and tomorrow's biggest challenges. We get asked, how would you do it? Can you do it? And finally, help me do it. Help me connect what's not connected. Not just one machine, every machine. And not just machines, but people, processes, robots, and more. Help me see what I can't see. Connect my legacy machines for a complete view of my plant floor. And help me access data through the cloud for multi-site visibility. Help me decrease costs, increase capacity and yield, and boost my OEE. Help me make digital transformation a reality. Build a scalable foundation for success now and in the future. Today's challenges are bigger than ever. The good news is, Belden is in your corner. It's time to simplify complexity, rid your islands of automation, and empower your technology landscape with network and data solutions that can take your business to the next level and beyond. It's time to build the future of manufacturing.